ULTIMEA BS3 Review. Best budget soundbar for a simple TV audio upgrade. If you're looking for a simple and affordable way to get better sound from your TV, the ULTIMEA BS3 is an interesting option. But there's one important detail. Despite the name, this isn't actually a traditional soundbar. If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The BS3 is a pair of powered three-way bookshelf speakers, giving you a true left-hand-right stereo setup instead of a single soundbar. Each speaker combines a 5.25-inch woofer, a dedicated 2.75-inch mid-range driver, and a 1-inch tweeter. ULTIMEA rates the system at 70 watts RMS, with a frequency range starting at 50 Hz. For TV use, one of the biggest advantages is connectivity. You get HDMI ARC, optical, RCA, USB, and Bluetooth 6, along with Auracast support. There's also a dedicated subwoofer output, so you can add an active subwoofer later if you want deeper bass. The wooden cabinet design is also a nice touch. The speakers are considerably larger than a typical soundbar, so they need space on either side of your TV, but that separation can provide a wider stereo presentation. You also get movie, music, and game listening modes, plus app control and a remote. For everyday TV watching, music, and gaming, the dedicated mid-range and separate woofer should give you a fuller sound than basic built-in TV speakers. But there are some compromises. The BS3 is a 2-system and does not support Dolby Atmos, so you won't get true surround or height effects. It also takes more space than a compact soundbar, and the speakers are relatively heavy at about 4.3 kilograms each. So, is it worth buying? If you specifically want a compact soundbar, this isn't the right product. But if you have room for 2 speakers and prefer real stereo separation, the BS3 is a compelling budget option with unusually flexible connectivity and an easy path to adding a subwoofer. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below whether you prefer a soundbar or bookshelf speakers.